So if I'm trying to estimate the measure of angle DEF, the first thing I need to do is figure out what type of angle it is. So this angle is an obtuse angle.
Why did you say one obtuse angle?
Just the steps. It's just an obtuse angle. So I know it's an obtuse angle because there's my 90-degree angle. And there's my 180-degree angle. So I'm looking at that angle right there. So I know my angle has to be between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. So if I look at this line, I want to see, is it closer to 90 degrees or is it closer to 180 degrees? And it looks to me that it's a little bit closer to 90 degrees. So I'm going to say it's closer to 90 degrees. Is it extremely close to 90 degrees? No. But it's closer to 90 than it is to 180. So my estimate for this angle would be somewhere around, I would say this angle, I'm going to say angle DEF. I'm going to use that squiggly equal sign, which means about. Angle DEF is about, I'll say maybe 130 degrees. So I'm closer to 90. I'm 40 away from 90. I'm 50 away from 180. So I'm a little bit closer to 90 than I am 180. That's about what I think my angle looks like. It's a little closer to 90 than it is 180. So my estimate would be 130 degrees. All right, I'm going to do the same thing now for an acute angle. If I have angle GHI, the first thing I'm going to do is what type of angle is this? This is an acute angle. So that tells me it is between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. So here's my 90-degree angle. Here is my 0-degree angle. So my angle, again, looks like it's much closer to 90 degrees. It looks closer to 90. Is it a lot closer? Again, no, but it's a little bit closer to 90 degrees. So I would say this angle is probably about 70 degrees. So angle GHI is about 70 degrees. That would be my best estimate or my best guess at what this is. All right? All right, so now I'm going to have you guys try a few angles on your own. So I'm going to give you 3 angles, and I want you to solve these 3. I want you to estimate the measure of these angles on your own. Mm-hmm.
That's a weird angle.
Alright, so go ahead and estimate the measure of those 3 angles using the steps that I just did above.